Hey guys, I'm Dwayne Hand. This is our pastor. This is Brother Roger.
And this is Rickey Speed.
We're selling and Christian. If you like to see his videos, watch it. It's really awesome. How awesome is it? How many views that you had?
I was on 500 and maybe 24, I think.
Wow, that's a lot of views. We only had 9.
It was actually 34, but.
And here's the fireworks. If you like to get one, come down to Walmart, which is where at? Walmart at Valpo. Buy one. If you buy one, this big one, I guess. I don't know.
You know something?
Come down to Walmart. Get yourself fireworks. We're selling them for the church. Here's all kinds of fireworks, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of fireworks. Buy one. Buy many you want. There's a lot. This is for our church. This is for our church Jesus Christ in Lake Station. God's doing good. We're doing good. Ain't this right, Ricky?
Yeah,
God's doing good.
Yep, God's doing good.
Yeah, we're doing good.
Yeah,
Don't forget, you need to check his videos. His videos is really good. And those you know, those you watch it, this guy is good. So, alright, this is our show. I'm Dwayne Hand.
And this is Rickey Speed.
And this is
Rickey
and this is Christian. And this is Brother Roger. And we're out.